The program for the evening will be as follows. We'll begin with the offering of long life prayer to His Holiness, which will be followed by a speech by the President of the Tibet Intergroup in the European Parliament, Mr. Thomas Mann. And this will be followed by a speech by the representative of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, Mr. Dorje. And then we'll have another speech, the last one, by Honorable Kane, or Minister for the Department of Security of the Central Tibetan Administration, Mr. Muduk Tongchung, who is currently amongst us. And then we'll finally have a few performance of a few Tibetan songs, both modern and traditional, by Nobutirikla and his musician colleagues from Belgium. We shall now proceed with the offering of a brief prayer for the long life of His Holiness, and to do so, I'd like to request Venerable Lama Karta and Lama Sopala and Venerable Tupte Wolchela, who is also a member of the Tibetan Parliament in Exile, representing the diaspora in Europe. May we have you on stage, please?
Savior.